Hi everyone, our main topic of discussion today is logic and proof. So we have an example here which says, which of the following are true and which are false? For the ones which are true, give a proof. For the ones which are false, give a counter example. So we have an example A here which says, x is an odd number if x squared is an odd number. This statement is saying that it is true. So how are we going to prove this? How are we going to prove this? So in order for us to prove this, we are going to say let x be an odd number. You let x be an odd number. After letting x be an odd number, this means that x, it will be 2n plus 1. So we already know always when a number is odd, it always have an addition of 1, where n is an integer. Where n is what? An integer. As you already know, an integer is any number that has got a negative or a positive sign. Like negative 2 is what? An integer. Negative 3, it can be 4, positive 4, positive 5, all these are integers. So, how are we going to solve this? If we square x, we get what? X squared. If we square x, we get x squared, which is equal to 2n plus 1, open and close bracket, squared. So don't mind about this, it was just an example. Squared. So it will be x squared is equal to 2n plus 1, open and close bracket, 2n plus 1 again. If we multiply 2n times 2n, it will give us 4n squared. 2n times 1, it will give us 2n. And then positive 1 times 2n, it will give us 2n. 1 times 1, it will give us positive 1. If we add this together, it will give us 4n squared plus 4n plus 1. So, how can we do this? We can simply factorize this. So, it will be 2n, I'll start with 2 here. 2, open bracket, 2n squared plus 2n close bracket plus 1. So, which is of form of 2 integer plus 1, and so it is called an odd number. An odd number. So that's all. So according to the comments that we have learned here, they're saying the first representation is for odd. We use 2n plus 1, and then for even we use 2n. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.